father of the sisters persuaded them to go into a business together. One was a candle maker and one was a soap maker. And hence, Procter & Gamble came together as a company and was founded in 1837. The legacy of our oral hygiene business is really Crest.
There are certain things जो हमें follow करनी ही चाहिए, बहुत basic है. I mean, I guess हम अपने बालों का, skin का, outfits का इतना ध्यान रखते हैं. So why not something basic like this? And there's no extra time or effort that we have to make. ये बस आपके routine का, daily regime का एक हिस्सा होता है. Personally, yes, being an actor, I can't do without my smile. So yes, there's a lot of care that I got to take for my teeth. But there's no extra effort or an extra inch that we have to go. Certain things, like I said, brushing twice a day, visiting your dentist regularly, using the right toothbrush, all these things are very important. और ये बहुत ही basic होता है. I guess anyone could tell you about that. I'm sure your mom every day tells you at home also. So these are the things that I look after, and I guess that bit about not missing the dentist appointment, regularly for your regular checkups, that I'm careful about.
Yes, and there's definitely a bit of oral hygiene involved in it, and I'm sure I can do much better because, as I've got involved with this Smile India movement now, there are some shocking statistics that have come to light, and I've realized there is not enough that I'm doing, and maybe I should do a little more. Yes, but the basic of any great smile is feeling great from inside and having that inner glow, which I see Prachi has, and that's why she has this wonderful, wonderful smile. Brushing your teeth twice is very, very important, and this is what I tell my son, so I really do want him to believe that. Yes, there are days when I do miss out on it, but that's important. The brushing, using of the right toothbrush. The crisscross bristles is what does it for me. The right toothbrush is so important. And yes, my regular visits to the dentist.
Smile that you see with all the teeth there, for it to look right and perfect, there's a lot that actually we have to put into, and not just because of the profession that we're in. We take so much care of our hair and our makeup and our skin, and I think most of us forget to do the basic things that we need to for our teeth, which is as simple as brushing twice a day, like Sonali said.
Good oral hygiene gives me is a lot of confidence, and which I think is so important in your day-to-day, be it your workplace, be it your personal relationships. I find that confidence, that great oral hygiene and a great smile, that confidence that comes with it, I think nothing kind of beats that, and that's so important for us now, for our children's personality development, for everything. So I think it's definitely not a life-threatening disease, but it is a disease, and it is something that can be little but can have bigger repercussions, and I think it should be taken seriously.